with 2 airbags made in India. The Toyota Yaris 2 airbag Baleno was a 0-star result with poor performance, low scoring in adult, child, and safety assist box as well. The car showed a poor performance in the side impact protection to the adults. You see now we're watching the frontal impact now at slow motion. The structure of the car was rated as stable, which is good. It's a very good baseline to develop further on the restraint systems in the car, which in our opinion could have been a little bit better. When it comes to the equipment of the car, it has standard ISOFIX connectors, but unlike other cases, when Latin Ncap is asking the manufacturers to recommend a child seat, in this case Suzuki, basically as it did with the Swift, they declined to recommend a child seat. As that happened, Latin Ncap is in charge of selecting or recommending its own child seats and install them for the test. In this case, with the child seats that Latin Ncap selected, the performance and protection was good, but unfortunately the manufacturer, as they didn't recommend the child seats, they wouldn't get the points of dynamic testing. That's the reason why the score is so low. We're watching the top view of the frontal impact. Now we're watching the real speed of the normal speed side impact, and now slow motion the side impact. Side impact in this car was showed a poor protection for the adults. To be more specific, the chest showed red color, basically no protection. This car do not have any side airbags as standard. This is amazing and not a very good surprise at this stage. Latin Ncap is not pleased with this action from the manufacturer. Side impact protection is one of the main things we wanted to highlight and promote in these new protocols. Side impact for the child occupants was good, and also door opening and the side impact. Also remember, it's a high risk of exposing the occupants to high risks. This vehicle also was tested, and we are going to watch it right now in the whiplash, or basically a rear impact. The vehicle in rear impact could not accredit good structure stability in the rear impact, therefore the whiplash points are 0. For the pedestrian safety, this vehicle scored, I would say, an acceptable average result, but still not brilliant. The car, in our opinion, should have other technologies like autonomous emergency braking systems, which can actually detect vulnerable road users